There was a moment I remember vividly where I looked around and realized I had nothing left. My business had collapsed. We were financially scammed during a move. My bank account was overdrawn, and I felt like the world had just shut its doors on me. I was over 60, exhausted, and I truly believed my chance to live free had passed. But I was wrong. And if you're over 50 or 60 or even 70, thinking it's too late, you are not. Because here's the truth. You've already got what it takes. You have decades of life experience, real-world resilience, and the ability to build something real. I started again from my kitchen table with nothing but my cell phone and Wi-Fi. I plugged into a program called the Legacy Builder and learned a system that gave me a second chance. Here's what and how I rebuilt step by step. Step one, I stopped waiting for perfect timing. I took messy, small action. Step two, I used tools like Opus Clip and repurposed short videos, Big VU, to build authority in my content, and JustBank to track my business flow. Step three, I stayed connected to a community of mentors and learners, people walking the same path from all over the world. That support system saved me because trying to build something online alone is overwhelming. But when you have the tools and the team, you rise faster, even after 60. If this hits home for you, comment info, and I'll personally send you what I use. You don't need to know it all. You just need to start. One step, even if it's a baby step. One tool and one change, and you've got it going.